everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm be using these nails. I'm going to show you what I have done today. I've done these eyes. I've done Kakashi, Naruto, Sakura, Sasuke, and the symbol. I should have done that a bright red, and I should have done that a lighter blue so you can see the eye better. And I've drawn these, hand painted all these mannequin eyes. I'm going to show you how I do it with the last nail. There's a picture on the screen on which I am going to do from a mannequin. So I'm going to zoom you all in, and then I'm going to show you the progress of what I've done. On this little palette, I do have a white, a black, a pink, and a pink. That's all I need to do, just those 4 colours. I have some acetone to the here, and I have some rubbing alcohol to the side, and I've got these pads. This one's got a bit of acetone on, this one's a dry one, and this one's also a dry one. That is to wipe it down if I make any mistakes, which I tend to do. So I'll zoom you all in so you can see. Now that you're all zoomed in, I'm going to show you the progress of how I do it. So first I'm just going to dip my brush in the paint, nail polish. I'm going to take my nail, I'm just going to very lightly sketch out the eye. So enjoy this little speed run of us doing the sketch out. So that's the eye all sketched out. So I'm going to cure this layer, and then I'm going to put it back, and then I'll be back once that is all done. And I'm back. So that's all nice and dry. So I'm going to draw just an eyebrow across. So I'm going to go like the line like that and a line like that to show how surprised it is. And then I'm going to draw the little pupil on the inside. I'm just going to wipe away that mistake there. I'm going to clean my brush so it's all fresh. I'm just going to dip it in some paint. I'm going to cure this just the way it is. Now I'll put another white on top. That might actually look okay like that. So I'm going to cure this, and then I'll put another thin line on. So I'll be back once that is done. And I'm back. So if you've noticed, I have made some mistake here. But that's okay because this is all going to be coloured in. So I'm going to grab the light pink on my paintbrush. Yes, this is a paintbrush, not a nail brush. I prefer these ones. So I'm just going to cover all this in some pink. And there we go. So I'm going to put this under the cure lamp, and then I'm going to show you again. So that's all cured on the top layer. It might be this dark pink, might be a subtle design, subtle colour, but I kind of like it. So I'm just going to grab some dark pink onto my paintbrush. I'm just going to wipe some excess off. And I'm just going to very carefully just colour it in like that. So you can see it's very, very subtle, and that's what I like. So next I'm going to take the smallest dotting tool I've got, which is this end. I'm just going to grab some black again, And I'm just going to do a dot right there for the pupil. Clean off the dotting tool. And then I'm just going to grab some white. I'm just going to put some right there. So it gives us that little shine. I'm just going to clean up around here with some extra white. Just like that. I'm going to put this under the curing lamp and then I'm going to put a top coat on and I'll show you once it's all done. And I'm back. So I hope you all enjoyed that little tutorial. So on the screen now there'll be some nails, the eye nails. So all the way down here. So I'll be putting numbers to the side here. If you could comment down below on which one's your favourite. I'm going to tell you as mine. I like Kakashi and I really like this little side eye one. I'm going to show you all real close. There you go. So as you can see, different anime eyes. They probably don't look the best, but I am really happy with them. So comment down below which one's your favourite and which anime character is your favourite, and I'll do my best to put that into the next video. And it'll only be the eyes. That's all. And I hope you all enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. And bye for now.